Hi, and welcome to Python programming language. In this video clip, I am going to explain you about Python programming language and how we can implement and use data structures, loops and indentation. And also we are going to see how we run the code in the terminal. Hi, and welcome to Python programming language. In this video clip, I am going to explain you about Python programming language and how we can implement and use data structures, loops and indentation. And also we are going to see how we run the code in the terminal. First of all, I'll give you an overview of the Python programming language. Python was conceived in late 80s and its implementation was started in 1989 by Guido van Rossum. And finally, Python was published in 1991. Python, also known as a powerful dynamic programming language, and it's widely used in variety of application domains. It is a high-level language with lot of inbuilt keywords. So it is always compared with various popular languages like Java, Perl or TCL. Python is also known as a language that is very easy to understand and learn. Let's look up some features of Python programming language. Python is very clear, object-oriented, and it has high-level dynamic data type, readable syntax, and exception-based error handling. And now we are going to learn about syntax and semantics of Python. Syntax is a set of rules define how to write an interpreter. It has English keywords as it is a high readable language. These are some main keywords of the language: and, as, assert, break, class, continue, delete, else, except, for, from, is. In Python indentation, Python uses white space to delimit the program blocks following the offside rule. Instead of the keywords, Python uses indentation to indicate the block. Before moving on to the statement and control flow, we will go through some basic Python program structures and how they work. We are using Python 2.7. This is the GUI-based Python terminal. The prompt is denoted with 3 right-angle brackets. The significant thing with Python is that the coding could be directly typed on the terminal and execute. I'll show how to do some basic calculation using this terminal. First example is adding 3 and 5. If I input 3 plus 5 into terminal, it gives the answer like this. Next, I'll input 3 into 2 in the terminal. It gives the answer as 6. Now I'll give input like this. Let's see what will be the answer. And the difference between first example and this is, first one is giving the multiplication of the two numbers, and this will give the answer of 3 to the power 2. Next, I am going to print a string. We can give the string within a single quote or double quote. If I start the string with the single quote, I should end it up with a single quote as well. Now we will look at another example. In this example, we will be initializing a string into a variable, and we will also look at a string manipulation techniques in Python. If we want to find the character at a given location, we can take the variable that the string is stored and write the value within square brackets as follows. As the other programming languages, the structure of the control structures in Python are similar to them. But here we are not using the semicolon to end a statement. It is just like this. This is how we implement for loop in Python. And this is break and continue statement that we use in Python. In Python compilation, it directly runs from the source code, and each time the program is run, the source code is needed to run. Since Python is interpreted language, the source code is converted into an intermediate language, then translated into the machine code. Hope you enjoyed this video while learning basic concepts of Python. Thank you.